Hi, I'm Rebecca from Southwest Exteriors and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. Whether your door has become old and worn, isn't working properly, or you just want an upgrade, a front door replacement is a big investment. So today, we're going to talk about what a door replacement in San Antonio can cost you and what factors affect that price. A San Antonio front door replacement can cost anywhere from $800 to over $7,000. For a lower quality, less expensive door replacement, you may pay anywhere from $800 to $3,500 as a starting cost. For a high quality and long-lasting front door replacement, the average cost is about $4,500 to $7,800 depending on the cost and quality of the door and installation. Factors that affect the cost of a front door replacement. To understand how much your door replacement will cost, you must know what components make up the overall cost of your project. Number 1. The material. The most popular types of doors are wood, fiberglass, metal, and iron, and they all range in price. Here are some ranges as to what each particular type of door might cost you. Aluminum and steel doors can cost anywhere from $800 to $1,300 for a lower end installation and go up to $5,300 for a high quality installation. Fiberglass doors can cost around $700 to $3,500 on the lower end and start at $5,800 for a high quality installation. Wood doors can cost anywhere from $900 to $2,500 on the lower end and have a starting cost of $4,500 for a high quality installation. Full iron doors start at $2,800 for just the door and $4,800 to $6,800 for a professional installation, but can go much higher depending on the size and customizations. For more information on these types of doors, make sure you check out the article linked below in the description. Number 2. Construction of the door. Along with its material, the quality of the construction of the door will be another element of the price. This refers to how well the door is made. Simply put, how well the door is made and what specific additions are included will be considered in the door's cost. Lower quality doors you can buy at big box stores will not be as durable or long lasting as custom, high quality doors manufactured by a specialty replacement door company. Number 3. Customizations and design. For door replacements, the two main custom design options you have to choose from are the glass decorativeness and the skin, or the outer finish of the door. Other smaller customizations include hardware style and finish, color, and added trim. Number 4. Installation. The largest contributor to the cost of replacing your door is the installation. While you might only think of a door replacement as replacing only the door, there are many components of the door that a good installer will replace as well. Here are the parts of a full door system that should be replaced for a high quality installation. They are the slab, jambs, hinges, threshold, sill, trim, hardware, caulk, and paint. Now that's a lot to include in a full door replacement. However, each of these components should be included for a quality installation that's gonna last. You can only pay a few $100s to replace only the slab in your frame, but chances are, if something is wrong around your door, it's one or more of the surrounding components that need replacing. Like with any home remodeling project, what is included in the installation is going to drive up the cost and determine the quality of the outcome. Having realistic expectations for your door replacement. Now that you know the top 4 factors that affect the cost of a front door replacement in San Antonio, you can outline your goals for your project and have realistic expectations for how much your door replacement will cost. Determining what you want out of your new front door will help you to have realistic expectations for the overall cost of your project. Then you can create the right budget for you. To help you out with that, we've linked an article above that will outline 5 steps to outline the right budget for any home improvement project. Then you can follow the step-by-step guide to define your goals for your door replacement project and decide what the right budget is for you. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.